Hi friends, I am Nived. So in this video, I am demonstrating the working of my reminder app. So this reminder app is a application which actually helps to notify about our task which has to be due at a particular time using Telegram. So this app is developed using UiPath Apps feature. So let's take an example. For example, you have some task. Let's say you had a meeting tomorrow, and due to your today's busy schedule, there's a chance that you may forget about that meeting or something. So if you using this app, you can feed whatever task need to be notified at what time, and this app will notify about that task at that time using Telegram notification process. So this is how my reminder app works. So let's see in action. So let me first run it. So this is my reminder application. So here I need to type the date, hour and minute. This accompany the date and time at which a task that is being typed here to be notified using Telegram. Okay, so that is the use of this. And for our quick demonstration, I have yeah, I have two tasks. Let's say at this time, that is 12 October 2020 at 1. Let's say let me change this time to 11:30 and 50. Okay, so I have two tasks here. One is at 12th October 1:13 a.m., which is task 1, and second task is uh, at 12 October at 1:50 a.m., which is what is the task actually? The task is task 2. These two tasks I need to get notified at these times. Okay, so let's see how we can do this here. So first we can feed the details about task 1. So task 1 should be notified at what time? At 12th October at 1:13 a.m. So first we need to type the date. So date is what? Date is it should be in month, date, year format. So date should be 12 10 12 2020 and hour at what time? 1, and hour should be in 24 hours format, and the time it should be notified at 1:30. Okay, so what is the task? Task 1 is the task which is to be notified at this time. So when I click on submit, you can see that it will trigger a UiPath process. Yeah. Okay. So our task has been stored in some data which will actually later trigger a program at that particular time which will send a Telegram notification. So next we can provide the details over task 2, that is at this time 1:15. So let me just change that to 1:50, and the task is what? Task 2 at the same time, but the time is being changed and the task is also changed. So at 1:15 a.m. I need to get notified about task 2. When I click on submit, you can see that again a UiPath process is being triggered in background which will store the data. Yeah. Now all the data what we have typed is first stored in this reminder sheet actually. You can see. You can see all the data what we have typed is stored in the reminder sheet. So about task 1 and task 2, and they has been sorted in a ascending order. While they are processing, they are being sorted in ascending order so that which task has to occur first will do first, and after that second task will be done. So if you close this one, you can see that for the first task, that is the task 1, already a UiPath process is being set as triggered here. You can see this at this time a trigger has been set. So this process, That is, this Telegram notification sending process will trigger at this time only. You can see at 1:30 this process will get triggered. You will send that Telegram notification about our task. So let's wait for a few seconds so that this process will get started. So it will be done order by order. For example, after this process only, the second task will be set as triggered here. Okay, you can see the UiPath process triggered for this particular process. Yeah. So I had received some. Yeah, you can see I have received about complaint solver. That's why about task one. So my task one has been notified by my Telegram bot. Okay. So if you go, yeah, you can see that after this process has been triggered and completed, automatically our bot will set our next task, that is task 2, which is to be done at 1:15 a.m. So if you check our reminder sheet, you can see that that first process, that is task 1 data, has been deleted after it has been executed, and then this task 2 will come upward. Okay, so so in a ascending order, it actually our process is being occurring. Okay, so you can see that when this first task has been completed, next task will be automatically triggered at the same time. Okay, so if you wait for a few seconds. Yeah, another UiPath process will trigger, which will send notification to Telegram about task 2. Okay, you can see, yeah, task 2 has been, the notification has been received from our bot to the Telegram. Okay, so this is how my Telegram app works. Sorry, my reminder app works. So if you look at the reminder sheet, yeah. So after processing that task, what happened? Then the task is also get deleted. Okay. So this is how my application actually works. So whenever we feed some data at interruptly or different time, we feed some data. So it will store this data or this task in the Excel sheet, and it will sort it in a ascending order. Means first date should be occur at first time, then second, then third, and so on. So when first process is being completed, it will trigger the cost. It will set a trigger for next process. After completing next process, it will set a trigger for third process. Like that, it will actually be done here. Okay. So this is how overall my reminder application works. Okay. So this is all about my reminder app, and thanks for watching. If you like this video, please like, subscribe and share. Thank you.